Hello, today we are going to review how to register for your association's website. The fastest and easiest way to register is by using the welcome email that will be sent to the email address on file. This will include a link to easily access the website as well as your username. When you select the link, it will require you to set up a new password and then prompt you to log in. Upon your first login, you will need to agree to the terms of use. You will also need to set your profile's visibility. You have the option to just include your name. You can include your address, email, and as well as your phone number, or you can hide your profile from the resident directory. However, this will limit your access to the site. And now you are fully registered. If for some reason you did not receive a welcome email, you can select Login, Need to Register, select You're an owner, and then you will need to enter your account number. If you do not have this information, please contact your association. Thank you and have a good day.